Welcome to Civil Engineers Adda. So today we are going to see how to create a geometry that is a surface to solid and solid to surface. Okay, so a lot of beginners will be having trouble in this surface to solid and solid to surface creation, or they might not be aware of what they are doing. So to clear all your doubts, I am presenting this video here. Okay, so now what you have to do, I have selected the static structural. There you have to select the geometry. So already I have selected the geometry, so I have named it as surface to solid. So let us begin with our space claim. So this is the ANSYS space claim where you need to model. Okay, so this is in always, there are different views here. This is a sketch which I have selected. Now what you have to do is, there are different views here: isometric, trimetric, top. When you do top view, it will change. See, you're going with the top view here. So in this various left, right, and all other things, so let me keep it as isometric. So now what I am going to do, I will create a plane. So what is a plane? All know that plane is a 2D element, that is a two-dimensional element. So in plane there will be no third dimension. Okay, so let's me create a circle, triangle here. After hitting triangle, see, it is taking somewhere here. So what I am going to do is, I am going to take a plan view. So plan view, in the plan view, it will be easy to create a planar element. Okay, now let me draw. Roughly I will take around 200 mm and 200 mm. Okay, so see here, now you have got this. So when you to pan, what you have to do, you have to hold the control and the middle scroll button and pan. Okay, to create a pan here, it is to move the object here. Now what I am going to do, this is a plane here. So my dear friends, you are able to see here, whatever you are creating geometry, it will be available in the structure tree. Okay, in this structure tree, whatever elements you are creating, they will automatically go on adding. Okay, so what I am going to do, this is a sketching plane now. So this is already a plane. Let me create an isometric view. So this is a plane here. So this is a plane. When I come out of here, it is a plane here. Now I have to create this plane into a solid element. So what you will do, you will just need to do pull. You need to use a command pull. The shortcut key for that is P. P is the shortcut key, or directly you can go for this edit option. In that, pull is there. Okay, now what you need to do, when I'm bringing my mouse on the plane element, it is getting selected, or the yellow color indicates that it has been selected. Now you need to click on this. Yes, now it one click, and you have to show the direction in which you want to pull it. Okay, in which way you want to create a solid. So for that, I am going to create it in y-axis. So this is my y-axis here. You are able to see here. So I will pull it in y-axis. So just you need continuously hold the mouse and drag. Okay, like this. So now you will be able to see the change in dimension there. So now what I'm going to do, I will put it as 100 mm. Okay, yes, now you can see what has happened, my dear friends. So let me do it for perfect isometric. Hit escape, then it will get unselected. So see, this is the geometry which have been created. So this is the solid. So you have understood from surface to solid. See here, my dear friends, just see here. Earlier it was plane. It was a plane here. So from plane we have created a solid. Okay, so you can name this solid as so concrete, CRET, concrete columns. Okay, so in this way you can name your solid. So when you want to select the whole solid, you need to click on it 3 times continuously. You have to click them. So that is 1 2 3. The whole entire thing is solid. So now you have learned in this video how to create a solid from a given surface. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it for today's video. Meet you in my next videos. Till then, take care. Thank you.